Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, June 23rd, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. There's a Twitter link below in the description. Click on that. You'll get my views as well as major market moves. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, as well as that little bell next to it so that you know when these videos come out. The average cost basis, my buy price currently is at $5 across multiple entry points in the past. But let's take a look at what's going on in RLC US dollar. RLC US dollar is getting close back to that yellow line that we need to see it at. If we look at the price action here, we dipped as far low as 219, almost a 50% recovery. We're at 299 right now. We've been trekking above as high as 310 moments ago. Now, I anticipate that we'll get back over that yellow line for a couple of reasons. Let's look at RLC Bitcoin. Well, first and foremost, RLC Bitcoin is definitely made a demonstrable comeback from 77.34 to 88.71, and I expect us to continue on our climb. Again, it's like coming back up a mountain, bruised and battered after you've fallen from a cliff through trees, and just getting cut up and beaten up and, attacked by bears. And then finally you have to start coming back up that hill. That's kind of like what we're doing here. Now, in the Bitcoin space, we've seen this bullish broadening wedge, which I brought up yesterday in yesterday's video. I also tweeted it out all day long yesterday. Let's take a look. Right now, it looks like we're, kind of trying to bounce properly off of this top resistance line. And again, if you look at the, typically a broadening wedge will come back to where it started. Well, it started back here, back in the middle of June to currently. And this is 41,000. This is this yellow line. Nobody can beat it down. No one can beat this thing down if you tried. Look at this guy, case in point, Peter Schiff. He's a big gold bug. He believes in store of value, but he doesn't believe in Bitcoin. He believes in store of value in gold. So, of course, someone like this will come out yesterday talking about how terrible Bitcoin is. Of course, it's great to be right after the damage has happened. So he'll come out and make sure everyone knows that he's right about something. If Bitcoin went to 100,000 yesterday, you wouldn't hear a peep from this guy. Trust me on that. Now, let's move forward. Coinbase approved to enter Japanese cryptocurrency market. This gives more exposure to more of the coins that we like. Infrastructure, cryptos, the big ones are on Coinbase, RLC, NewsCipher, The Graph, and multitudes of others. I think that we're going to start to see more exposure to this, and that could help prove more investment into these types of currencies. So in the RLC case, is obviously on is on Coinbase as well, so it'll give them access to that too, if they're not already on another exchange that they can use to trade RLC. So, like I said, look, we're at $2.99, $3 now. We had to dust our pants off, put our shoes back on, throw some water in our face, and make the move. And we're making that move, and we're going to get back to where we got to get to and continue on with the battle. At the end of the day, RLC is here to stay. Bitcoin's here to stay. I have no problem in holding this for as long as I need to. And like I said, look, I'm down. I'm down probably 40%. I bought, my average buy price is $5. So I'm down to about 40% if you go from 5 to 3. So look, I'm in it for the long term. I have maximum exposure in terms of what I want to put into RLC. I have other investments too that I tend to. So it's always good to be a little diversified as well, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good day, everyone.